Yeah. Came at 17. Damn. Give me my money. Give me my money.
So today was day 20 and I have started with pandas, learning about pandas, and let us first start by creating a new notebook, right? And this might take some time because my laptop is somewhat laggy, and yep, I think uh, we have created the notebook. Let us first rename it. Okay, we have renamed it. Name doesn't matter, but first and foremost thing, import pandas as pd and import numpy as np. Pandas and numpy I have means learned somewhat, means like most of the things I have learned, and still I think it is a learning process, so I will be learning throughout, right? And all, I can't learn it in one time, so I have learned most of the numpy, and I'm starting today with pandas. So I think pandas is already installed in my system, and yep, it is running. I think it is already installed. Now pandas is like working with Excel files. Okay, pandas can read CSV files, and means we can work with Excel files, we can analyze, or we can uh, do multiple things with files. And first let us, means in pandas we need to create data frames, right? So first let us see how to create an empty data frame, right? So it's simple. Suppose I create a data frame. Now I have to write pd because I have imported pandas as pd dot capital D data frame. I can complete it. Now yep, it has created. Now if I just write df and if I do shift enter, here you can see it has given us a blank. Now if I write print the df, wait a minute, something wrong. Yep, here you can see empty data frame. Now sometimes creating an empty data frames is also important, because whenever we want, means suppose we are working with a data frame, and we have taken out some values from that particular data frame and want to put it in another data frame, right? So we can create one empty data frame and then insert values, right? So creating an empty data frames is also necessary sometimes. So this is how we create empty data frames. Now how to means create data frames with values, right? So let us create one data frame with values. Pd dot shift data frames. Oh, data frame. And now let me create one bracket and one more bracket, and now I need to add some values. Okay, like really some more values, so that we can work with it properly, I guess. Wait a minute. Now comma. Okay, I have entered few values inside the data frame. I have inserted more values so that it is easy to means work with it. Now if I write df1, Okay, and now I do shift enter. Here you can see it has created our table. Now here you can see there are total 5 values it is taken, but somewhere we have means at some places we have give just uh, it is taking 6 values, but somewhere we have given 5 values. So let me just add like one more values wherever we have given just 5 values, so that it becomes 6 everywhere. hmm? And one more here, I guess. Now if I do shift enter, yep. So we have created a data frame. Here you can see this is means if we run this command in other frameworks, uh, then this won't be we won't get this, right? But pandas has this advantage. Sorry, not pandas, Jupyter notebook has this advantage that it shows us table and many more things, right? As such, now suppose I want top some values, right? Now if I write df1 dot head, there is one head function, and let us just see what it shows. It randomly shows some values, okay, because we have not given any particular value inside the bracket, right? So it randomly shows some values. Suppose if I write df1 dot head, and in bracket if I write, suppose I want 3, top 3, so it will show top 3 values. Here you can see it has shown us top 3 values of our list, our data. Now suppose if I want bottom few lines, so there is df, wait a minute, df1 dot tell. Now if you don't put any values, again it will give some random values, but if we put df1 dot tell and we put suppose 2, we want to know last 2 rows, so here you can see it has shown us 4th and 5th row. So this is how means we can create our first we can create our data frame and do some basic working with it. And I think that's it. I learned that's all today. Thank you so much.